After a very long nap in the afternoon, thanks to our food coma, we decided to go to the marina area to check out the night show, of course, and also look at the sights and the lights. It's a very beautiful area, as you can see. And after this, we were off to try some frog porridge.
Here we are at the Merlion Park. I think it's time for some ice cream. I am having the Blue Pea Hokkaido Vanilla Cream Brulee. That's one flavor. And this one is going to have a Merlion ice cream. A Merlion ice cream. So time to try this wild looking flavor. The flavor is okay, but it's very gritty. It's like eating sand. Not quite sure what's up with this ice cream. Let's see, show me. Let me see. Let me see. Nah, okay. The ice cream was so bad, I actually threw it away. I can't even remember the last if I've ever done that before. It's a sign of a terrible ice cream. It's like eating sand. My dear girlfriend wants to go eat the frog porridge. So now we're going to a very famous frog porridge restaurant. Oh yes, the joys of having a Vietnamese girlfriend. Time for some frog porridge.
I asked for extra spicy.
Extra spicy. Sounds good. Here we have the frog and the chili. There you go. Everything goes in the pot. Seems to be stacking everything. Got his order list. There we go. And then I guess it gets put on the fire for a while and made super hot. And the porridge is in that big tub back there. Oh, look at that. You can feel the heat from here. That guy must be roasting. Some water or some vinegar or something being put in there. Tuck it in. Oh yeah. Some oil. This man's a pro rock cutter. Look at that. Sputtering still. Amazing. And here is the fabled frog. So here we go. Frog porridge. A steaming pot. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Wait. I think I've met my match. All right, let's see. Let's get this. Ah. This, yeah. I think I've met my match. I'm sweating. And that. I need more tissue. Just give me the whole box. So guys, that's a wrap. Amazing, it's delicious, it's ultra spicy. Of course you can also have a plain one that's not spicy, but why would you do that? So yeah, Geylang 9 is where we're at, so come and try it out. Alright guys, we're here now at the cable car, let's go.
As it was our last day, we decided to go to Sentosa Island for a bit of fun on the beach.
You are very crazy, just open it. Slightly terrifying, I must say. Even if I live in Switzerland and have done this 1 million times, I hate it every single time because nobody wants to plummet to their death. Now we shall go through a building.
Station. Disembarking. We're now en route to Sentosa Station.
There's Universal Studios.
Wow.
You can head to the right of Sentosa Station. Please spot another cable car.
No.
I have to say I was really impressed with this island. It was like a jungle paradise with an amazing beach, and in the background you can see all of the cargo ships. Definitely a cool place to visit.
I think native Vietnamese stole their boyfriend. husband.
We definitely came too late and most of the attractions were fully booked, but I'd advise you guys to get there early in the morning. And that was it. That was the end of our trip. And next we were off to Dubai. So if you're interested in more reviews, please check out my next video.